Hey guys, so I've just come to Coventry today to view my new house. I kind of want to pick like what room I want to live in next year, but I thought it'd be better for me to just have a look and choose between them. But right now, in KFC, getting some food. So yeah, and then we're gonna walk over to the house and just have a look and see. Pan is dead swag today. It's my fault, I dragged him out of bed. But he's got, see, this is not what he's eating, but he's got, what did you get?
I have no idea.
I got a Zinger Tower burger, wings, coleslaw and fries. And
Same.
and you got, I don't know what you got, but yeah, this is it.
Let's see your order then. Let's see your food order. Open it, mate.
4 of those wings are mine. Coleslaw, I'm not really a big fan of coleslaw, but that's the nicest thing on the menu. These are your fries, or these. Your fries.
Cool.
Popcorn chicken's mine.
Take this out.
I'll take these out. That KFC was really good, and it gave us the energy we needed to walk down to the house, and I think the walk was like 20 minutes-ish. Yeah, so that's basically it. We're just walking down the street. We should be there soon. We're just walking in. Here's the first room. Right, this is the biggest room, but it's taken. Oh, this is nice. This is similar size to the one I've got in mind, but someone already has this room. There's a lot of space in here. Let me turn the light on. I don't think that's a light. I think this is the bathroom, right? Oh, the bathroom's got a nice space as well. Come on, see? And it's like brand new as well. The house is brand new. It's like fully refurbished. But yeah, this one is taken. It's a nice room, and there's storage here, I think. Yeah, there's a lot of storage here. I might put my suitcase in there actually, if the person will allow me to.
Of course.
Okay, yeah. And there's a TV in every room too. So this is the hallway leading to the kitchen, which I couldn't show unfortunately because there were builders in there who didn't want to be in the video, so I will show you in the next moving in vlog. Oh, this is turf, ashtray turf, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, nice. This barbecue's gonna be lit.
Is there?
I think only one of our housemates rides a bike, so this is storage space too. This is the doors are there, I think they're for that. I'm sweating anyhow. And then, yeah, this is downstairs, then we're gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna pick the room I want. So we're just gonna view, this is one of the available rooms, I think.
It got the sensor as well, the light thing.
This is the one available room. Come in. Oh, the bathroom is nice here as well. The TV, the desk is nice too.
It's quite small, right?
It's quite small though. I don't know if I'm gonna take this one.
Is this double bedroom?
It's a double bed. It's a low double bed though. Let's see the other one. This is the single bedroom. Very single bed. I like the desk, man. I like the desk, the way they've done that. The TV, they've got a nice bedside table. The view is also really nice on the outside as well. I like how it's so bright. I do like that. And then you've got this room, this bathroom. The bathroom's exactly the same. I like how they've got towel heating as well. That makes sense. It's how nice and warm. Yeah, that's everything in this room. This is the room I'm taking. I think it's nice. It's a bit of me, and when you're studying, there's the light coming down. It just makes sense. The wardrobe is inbuilt as well. And then I've got storage space here. So if I want to put like my books or my suitcase, they've got storage space here, which is actually really important for me. And they've got some storage space there too. I've got space for me to store things. And that's really, this is nice. I'm gonna open the window, see how it opens. So you know what, I actually really like the way the windows open. I had to tiptoe a little bit actually to see outside, and someone like me that's tall, it's quite a bit, but do you know what, I don't really mind looking at the rooftops and stuff. Just as long as I'm getting light in, which I am, that's the most important thing to me. But yeah, I've just shown you guys the view. I like it. That's it. What do you think? Oh, and the bathroom. Yeah, same bathroom. And I like this bathroom. It's got like a little storage cabinet at the bottom. I didn't notice that before. Yeah. They thought about people living in this room before they made it. I like it. I can't lie, the bathroom made sense to me. It's nice, it's clean, and I just like the bathroom. It just makes sense. Like, I don't know what else I'm supposed to say really. It just made sense. Bedside table has a drawer, so I put my little bits in there. Yeah. Let me shut this.
Yeah.
I'm having this one. And obviously, if Philip didn't point this out, we wouldn't know that there was a painting on the wall right there. Thank you. There's a bit of me.
Yo, the stuff.
Oh yeah.
Got a mirror.
Stuff underneath. What? Oh yeah, I've got a mirror as well. Yeah, this is my room. It's smaller than, I think it's not smaller than the one I live in now. It's got the same amount of space, but it's a different dimension, if you get what I mean. But yeah, I do like it. I'm living here. Chosen. This is the room. This is the room. Especially for me, who has property, this storage space makes sense. Oh, and the wardrobe. I opened that before.
Just making sure, man.
I like these boxes, they're really cute. This is the same size wardrobe I have it in my old room, in the room I'm in anyway, so. As you can see guys, I really like number 5. So this is the one I'll be living in next year actually, and I'm really excited for you guys to see more of this room in the future. But yeah, you will be seeing more of this room and the kitchen in my moving in vlog, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know when my new content is on the way. All the best and see you in the next one. Bye.